Thì Nho hôm nay mắc rảnh thì lần đầu tiên quay clip hát hò, hết hò ấy, bị bắt. Sẽ nào hát bài gì nhỉ? Crazy Love nhá, cùng nghe nhỉ. Let's start. I hate the way you walk, hate the way you talk, hate the way you look at me. I hate the way you smile, hate the big brown eye, 'cause you know they know it's for me. Gossip can never be more than friends, and it hurts me every time I close my eyes. All I see is you and this crazy love, crazy love, all this crazy love, crazy love. I hate thinking of you, 'cause every time I do, I just keep on missing you. I hate the way I feel every time you're near, 'cause it feels like time is standing still. Those dreams can never be more than friends, and it hurts me every time I close my eyes. All I see is you and this crazy love, crazy love, all this crazy love, crazy love. I hate each when you're blue and how I care for you. I hate the way my heart beats on, and I hate the rose night and the pain of time. Bài còn dài lắm nhưng mà hát thì hết thôi rồi. That's it. Thank you for listening to me. Bye.